Hi everybody, this is Derek with Eliminex. I'm just trying something different than the boring short videos that don't show anything. And pictures are so boring. Trying to get likes. We're trying to get all these likes. Wow, they like what I post. I should post more. It's so addicting. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put on my mask. We're going to go and check this attic space for possible squirrels or raccoons. So I'll bring you on my tour. Here. Luckily, it's a pull-down ladder. Wow, this is fancy. A lot of times it's just a porthole, and I got to bring a ladder and I gotta lift myself up. That's why you see me posting pictures of me working out at the gym. I want to show people that I'm a Superman. I'm quite capable for my age to be. And it sets an example for employees and future employees that, hey, look what I could do at my age. You shouldn't be complaining. It's a physical job. Oh, dark. There's usually a light. Usually when they turn the light on, just creates a shade. Ah, crap, I gotta crawl in here. That means I have to wear knee pads. Luckily, it's an IGTV video instead of a short. Oh boy, what a pain. But I see these droppings here. See these droppings? That's squirrels. There's definitely squirrels up here, but we don't know how recent, but I'm going to take photos. I'm going to do like a 10 photo inspection, so it's definitely a squirrel issue. You see all these droppings here all over. So I don't know how long I can run these videos. Maybe if I could run it 10-minute video, that'd be great. So I'm going to put on my knee pads because I got to crawl through the attic. And not much of a fancy production. This is not scripted. I wrote down I was going to script some videos, put some stuff together, but this is done on the fly. Try something new. Crap. These knee pads. I gotta get new ones. Alright. Okay. Damn it. The Velcro is not working. Oh, what a pain. Nobody's gonna watch. People are gonna turn off this video. It's like nothing to watch. So I got these knee pads on. I'm going up. I got a jacket. I should be wearing eyewear and a hat. But this says beware of overhead hazards. That's true because we got all these nails sticking through. You gotta be careful of that. And also, a lot of attics don't have flooring, so you have to balance on the beams. And we see the droppings. We try not to touch them. Plus, I gotta take some additional photos of these. And I'm trying to confirm if it's squirrels or raccoons. So far it's squirrels. Look for some acorns. You look for chewing. That might be a hole, a utility line. That's possible. I look for some damage. I look for footprints. I look for footprints in the dust. We look for chewed up insulation. I can go further back, but they're hearing noise. I like to go where they hear the noise. I don't like to go crazy with my inspections. Should have one of those GoPros, where I'm holding the phone and have like a stand. I was hoping this attic you could just walk in it. Gotta watch out for power lines. Oh, okay, I can walk in that attic. You see gaps in the gutter line. Go further in. I gotta watch out for the beams. See the loose planks. When you step on the plank, you like fall through the ceiling. More droppings. See all these droppings? See some gaps. Every once in a while, maybe you'll see some squirrels. This is probably like, so I gotta watch my footing. Usually these are possible entryways, but that looks fine. You see a lot of gaps. See all that light? Yeah. Oh, great! I can walk up here. Yeah, see these big gaps? All these gaps. So squirrels can come in and out. So they're hearing them during business hours, I guess because of all the snow that we had. When it was snowing, I guess they came in. It's too bad I can pause this video. I can pause the video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause it, and then I'm going to go outside and we're going to do a visual inspection from the exterior. And what I'm going to do with the IGT video, I'm going to take screenshots, and that will be my photos, so I won't have to take additional photos. I could just take screenshots of the video, and that will save me time. The problem with the video is I'm holding the phone. I guess a light would have worked here. Gotta watch my footing because the beams are changing direction. There's another vent. See that vent over there? That's got to be capped off. And, so it's definitely not. It's not mice. It's not raccoons, because raccoons, you would smell them, and they do a lot more damage to the insulation. So I'm kind of getting the gist of what's going on here. And make sure it's not the flying squirrel species. But we go from there. I mean, if we end up catching a raccoon, that will be documented and we can go from there. But I'm going to set traps on the exterior. I'm going to pause this video and we're going to go outside.